My name's Kyle from Wessuc. I'm the flusher operator. I'm going to just walk you through how we clean storm pipes. So we'll pull up to the manhole, we'll open it. We have the distances on our maps. And because it's winter, we have to hook up our boiler and our recirc, and that just pumps water through the hoses to keep the truck from freezing. And that's also why you see the steam, because the water is a lot hotter than the air temperature. So now I'm going to put the jet head down into the pipe. Just going to upset the boot so it doesn't wreck the hose when it comes out of the pipe. We're going to turn on our vacuum so we can suck up the water. And we're going to send this one all the way out to the next, which is about 45 meters. And I reached all the way up to the next one, so now we're going to pull it back. Put my vac tube in, suck up all the water and debris. And that's the process. And pulling back, the hose looks pretty clean, so when the hose comes back dirty, it usually means you're going to probably have to give it another pass, but this one looks pretty clean, so we should be good with the one pass. And now we're back. That's that pipe done. We're going to close everything up, put our cones away, and we'll move on to the next one.